Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This video presents a rap song about stem and leaf plots. Now if you remember, the stem part represents, in this particular example, the tens column. So you've got no tens and a 1, no tens and a 3. So because you have no tens, that's actually 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7. Here we have 1 10. So 10 plus 2, that gives you 12. So the 1 and the 2 represent 12, 13, 19, and so forth. So the stem here represents the tens column and the leaf represents the units column. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about stem and leaf plots. The aim of this video is to integrate mathematics, English, and music. Enjoy. Okay, here we go to the next slide, which will give you the next three verses. And now we'll move on to the next slide. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by creating a rap song about stem and leaf plots. Let's look at the next slide. So this video gives people the opportunity to create music to the given rap song. After that, the song can be presented at a school assembly or any school performance. So it's a very creative way to go.